ban kentiu ya ke yo ka kot jong ki nong rap mat ya ke jela Meghalaya hi berok ka wei kham tam yo Sohñiamtra harangkat ki wei ki so ki pai ki so ki musla mat ki wei ki jing bam jing di ki balawan ra ban penmi na ke jela Meghalaya ka sorkar Meghalaya kala penlong ya ke yo pen inam ka balatip kerteng kum ka Z's fest Meghalaya kasi Mandarin kabala sedang nadu kesngi pali ka khat sau terik uno pra mentaus nem bat kan kut hadu ka khat nyau terik jong uju ubenai ya kene ka program la yo ban saki ha ka khat san terik ha ka bala penlong ha nong ba Bangalore ka jela Karnataka ha phalau ka dukan ba ka Lulu Mall Bangalore ha ka te ka yo pen inam lawan ban saki da ka menteri katnat ka rep ka riang ka Dr. Amperin lengdo kabla long kum ko kongsan ha ka te kesngi nang ta ka khan riu bat khan nyau terek andon ke jing pen inam ya ke jing riu spa ke jing don jing em jong ke jela Meghalaya ka ban long ha forum mall khanakpura bat halal bag botanical garden kani ka dei ka sin ka ban kong ha ka ba ki nong Meghalaya ke la yo yakum kani ka lat ban pen inam ki so jong ki hanong ba Bangalore ha ka ba ki paj ba na ka leng ki jela kilawan ban yamat bat thiet ki so ki pai bat ki jing bam na ki te ki dukan kani ke jing pen inam kam dei tang ban chu pen inam ki marep jong ki nong Meghalaya han rei ka dei ru sibenta ban buram ya ke jing trai system jong ki nong rep
oh you came along with
name is Manjunath Mariyappa and I am from Bangalore. See, what I found was the sweetness is more. See, the thing is that has a mix. Nagpur one has a mix of sweet and sour, but this is full sweet. It is sweet and juicy. That's the difference. So anytime it is better. The quality is better.
and the price
See, the price is, I don't know. The thing is, you are giving at a promotional price. So the thing is, this price is very attractive. It's an attractive price. So I would say you are giving at a promotional price. This orange at 10 rupees is a killing thing. See, the thing is, if you try to introduce this into the market, it will be a big hit. Because not possible to sell at 10 rupees. Anyway, this is a government promotion, you are selling it. Otherwise, this quality, no way. It is very nice.
because which quality you say?
Yeah. No, I liked it. I really liked it. I'm taking one. There is no way I can get this at 15. This quality. Simply amazing it is. I like it. Maybe the thing is, but I'll tell you one thing. Not all oranges are good. Especially Lulu Mall itself. They tell it's imported. The quality is not good. But this one, it is Indian one. It's very tasty. I like it. See, that's exactly why I'm buying this.
So it's one of our fellow who's most of the ingredient. So when they used to sell it in PP packets, when we have helped them, today they have come with a better packaging branding. It's all through PSM. This is nice to again, the kind of packaging. They are all
I'm so happy for our
excuse me.
Black.
Ma'am, we also have this very famous chips from Bangalore. These tapioca chips.
Yeah.
Very famous. So these all, ma'am, they were selling in white plastic packets, but today they have branding, they have labeling. They have got a national market. They were looking for the pineapple festival.
are also trying to see how we can reach their products in different markets. So what we are trying to do is we are analyzing their product. We are trying to see whether this fits into the local market, or it goes to the national market, or it can be exported. So we also presented recently the conference with Bangladesh, Nepal, and many of the dignitaries to present. Embassy of Japan and Europe was very impressed with the project and take our products back. They took the view of
The government of Meghalaya is very proud to be able to come for this wonderful program that the Lulu groups have invited us, and we as a state today are showcasing few items that are currently being harvested in the state of Meghalaya. Today, the Zest Fest is a special program that we have brought to benefit our farmers, farmer groups, farmer organizations. We have the self-help groups. We have multiple organizations in the state of Meghalaya who are now marketing the Hasi Mandarin. It is GI tagged Hasi Mandarin, the sweetest, the most nutritious qualities that we can find in an orange is found in the state of Meghalaya. So we're very pleased that Lulu Group, that if their quality, their presentation is good and they work hard for the produce, there's always a market, and this market will automatically increase their livelihoods. This is the magic that we are trying to show farmers even of the state of Meghalaya, that nothing is impossible. Sky is the limit.
My name is Molden Jarwa. I'm from Shillong. Been here in Bangalore right from 2000 for my studies, and then after that I moved out and again came back to Bangalore and pursued my corporate life here in Bangalore. So currently I'm working with Tata Capital, and I have my family here, and my who's also been here with me here in Bangalore. And the moment I get this circular, I was very happy because I am so fond of this Sohñiamtra. So when I saw that message in our group, then I thought, okay, fine, why not go and take an opportunity, go and see, because getting something from back home, it is a pride that I can say. And currently also at home, I would share with you, we still continue to use that lakadong turmeric, which is one of the best, I would say. And currently, I mean, to come here and witness this platform that the Meghalaya government is organizing here in Bangalore, I can only say that this is the platform, and this is going to take places for our products from our state of Meghalaya, and to showcase what as a state we have in terms of the produce that we have from our state, and especially when we talk about the Sohñiamtra and then the lakadong turmeric. So I mean, hats off to the government who's taking this big initiative to organize this platform here in Bangalore itself. So, yeah, no doubt. I mean, see, this is let me tell you, because right now with the digital platform and all, the people from any part of the world, they will come to know what is Sohñiamtra from Meghalaya or what is lakadong turmeric. So that is one part. Whereas if you can reach to the local market, I mean, you know, to reach to the other states and all, that will only give us much better reach, and then people will come to know more about what is this product that comes from Meghalaya itself. I was very happy when I got, like what I mentioned earlier. I was very happy, and we have a group here in Bangalore. So the message has already been widespread. So I'm sure, I mean, the moment I finish this call with you, and then I'm going to post some of the photos and all, and I'm going to share with them what are the products that they are showcasing here from Meghalaya, be it the Sohñiamtra, be it the the bamboo shoot pickles, and so many other stuff and all. So I'm sure it's going to be a big success for this event for you. Thank you.
Today I came to know about this fest.
So I and my colleague visited here. So we tasted oranges. I don't know what is that name. So the taste wise it was good. It was different compared to the Nagpur orange. And I recommend everyone can come here and taste wise they can try once. Because these people came from directly from Meghalaya and they want to promote their products. Whatever the products we are getting in Bangalore, the hygienic wise and taste wise, it's very different product wise. So I recommend everyone can come. I think fest has started yesterday to end tomorrow. I recommend everyone. It will be weekend, so they can come and try. It will be great helpful for the farmers, so it will be benefited. No, first time I heard. Yeah, I was surprised. Taste wise also it is good and it is very reasonable also. Starting I thought it is very costly, but it is very reasonable. It is same price almost. It will be same or it is lower than the Nagpur orange.
So happy I am. So happy. Chia lại đi gần luôn. Yang. Hi.
We went to
I'm so happy. Good show, man. So, how many songs?
we are getting 4 because tomorrow also we have
Young, man. Very good. So happy. Ini Sultanat, ha? Sultanat mo, yung one day sini mo. Did you like this? Very good. Yung lagi name. Is very good. Very good. So happy. So happy. Tiap-tiap ini kita. Very good. So happy. So happy. Mau kita kamu video marah. All the best, your team. Yes. Lagi. Very good. Lại mang ra cái con kanya package today. Very good. Wow. Lagi mau ni pun. Ni ucu hiam mo. Chili paste. Wow. Kiamat itu sama.
Kiamat besar pertama kiamat.
Very good. Be natural. I love your outfit. Very happy, yeah. Very good. Hi. I'm so happy that you're
Will,
here
Papa,
now.
Will.
How do you feel?
Will, that's all.
Nice, no? People are seeing, people are buying.
You work in which stall here?
Color bar.
Huh?
Color bar. 400, right?
Yes, ma'am. Come downstairs or upstairs? Color bar. Thank you, ma'am. You'll be here later, ma'am. I'll also visit your store.
what else we have? Give orange jam.
Very good. Showcase this.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
So we are from Bangalore. So
Happy to be giving you this opportunity.
thank you so much for the opportunity. So here, people are liking the product and find it very indigenous. And indeed, it is very indigenous and we need to do a planning of that. And these are the products from the rural entrepreneurs of Meghalaya. So we are very. So this is Indian packing from Shalabha from Shalabha. I want you to try this Rosal jam. So this is very Rosal. People here are just love of this jam. So once they were making this jams and selling in black bottles, now they have the